My name's Beth McMahon. I'm the Gillespie County Horticulture Extension Agent, and today I'm going to be walking you through starting your own baby tomato transplants in 6-packs. With our potting soil, we want to make sure that it's nice and moist, that when you reach down, it just feels moist between your hands and it has a good dark color. Our 6-pack here, this one has been used before, totally recycled. All right. Fill the soil. This is a little bit difficult to do with my left hand. You're going to make a mess. Smooth it in. So you take the 6-pack, take it in both hands, and you shake it, tap it to settle the soil. Tomatoes, you have different kinds of tomatoes. Thessanoliki, this is an heirloom variety. It's an open pollinated one. It's indeterminate. The difference between indeterminate and determinate is that indeterminate is going to get bigger, and it's going to keep growing and growing and growing, and it's not going to produce all at once. It's going to have like a few tomatoes then, some later, a few tomatoes then, some later. Determinate tomatoes are going to produce all at once. They're going to be shorter, and then it's going to be done. You'll notice that I do have some hybrids, and I also have some heirlooms, so I'm not picky. I like both. I was just going by variety. This hybrid, does it say? No. This hybrid has a lot of disease resistance, and that's why I get it. Make sure you have some kind of label. You is kind of just dig a little hole in there, dig a little hole in there, dig a little hole in there, dig a little hole, dig a little hole, dig a little hole. When I do tomato seeds, I usually put 2 seeds per cell. Put a little soil in there and then pat it down. 2 seeds, these seeds have pretty good germination rates, but I'm putting 2 seeds in there just in case one doesn't germinate. I'll take the other one out and transplant it into its own little 2-inch pot later after they grow. So I'm going to take my watering can. It's not a very high pressure. Gently water the seedlings in. Looks like it's infiltrating pretty good. Give them a little bit more, a little bit more. And when you look here, you can see kind of like some soil moving out of the pot. That's okay. I'm going to move them out of the way so that they drain a little bit better. And then I'll move them inside. So I've got my tomato transplants moved all inside. These are all the ones I planted today. They are not underneath the light, as you can see. There's no space for them. That tray's going to go down there at the bottom. So these transplants technically don't need the light. They just need the heat for right now. But when they start growing, I'll move them underneath the light.